Who to pick this match? How about some Bison? Yeah, Bison. Big Daddy Bison. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that unhappy frown on his face. Bison is not amused. What the fuck is this guy doing, man? Oh my god. Put the kids to bed later. Fucking pick your character. Oh. What an asshole. He actually made it run the clock. He's gonna let this run too. Good, I hope he's not fucking here so I can kill him in 2 seconds, asshole. What a fucking prick. Oh, I forgot I had that fucking turkey in the oven right as I was selecting my character.
And the strong leg. Which of these fighters will prove the old axiom today?
Oh, I'm gonna prove the old fucking axiom, alright.
Who will come out on top? Fight! And with that hit, the fight is officially underway.
Not what I did, but okay, I did this. So I could get massive damage and it would work. Nope, that ain't gonna work. I can't block, excellent. He's gonna walk back the whole round. Oh, okay, no move. Look at this asshole. He's not even playing the game. It's fucking bullshit. He's not even fucking playing. He's just abusing lag. He knows I can't block if he does a ball on just instantly.
And there's the first hit. What'll happen next? This is the one we're looking forward to.
Oh my god. Of course. Good, he's a scrub too. He doesn't even know how to do the move. Of course not. He's gonna do electricity like a scrub. Again, more electricity like a scrub. Thanks for the free ultra. Fucking scrub. Stomp on his green fucking balls. Look at that. Right on the testes. 1 foot for each. Look at this guy. What is he doing? Is he going to play the game?
Here's the fight we've all been waiting for. And there's the first hit. What'll happen next? These two tricks together, one after the other.
Oh, of course. Oh my god, another ultra. He still doesn't know how to do it. What a fucking scrub, dude. Terrible scrub. Terrible. How do you get 5,000 points and not know how to do fucking Blanca's ultra? It's like the easiest fucking thing in the game. Oh my god, these terrible players. Oh, on to my first finals. Woohoo.